How to not get copyrighted on TikTok. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like copyrighted on your TikTok videos. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open TikTok app on your device. So simply open the TikTok. Alright, so after you open the TikTok, you'll got such interface. So from here you'll have to tap on plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on plus icon. And now from here you'll have to choose the video whom you want to upload. So simply go with the option gallery just at the bottom right corner of the screen. Alright, so from here I will select this video. Alright, so now while you are posting your videos, to not get copyrighted on that videos, you'll have to go the option edit. So it usually appear on the top right corner of the screen. So it will appear at the down of share icon. So simply you'll have to go the option editor. Okay, so from here you'll have to click on this add sound. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now on this add sound section you'll have to choose that non-copyrighted or free sounds from here. So after you select the sound from here, you'll have to just tap on next just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so now from here you'll have to tap on that post option just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So this is the simplest and easiest process to add non-copyrighted and free sounds on your videos. So from there you'll be able to not get copyrighted on TikTok videos. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.